Gearbox failure is a nightmare for everyday people. A dead transmission costs you thousands of dollars, even if you can repair it yourself. That's why we're releasing an ATF treatment that restores your gearbox to a better than new condition with diamond-like armor on critical components, forged by carbon under the heat and pressure of the drivetrain. Just like our original engine treatment, TriboTEX transmission uses dual-sided nanoparticles to protect vulnerable surfaces. The grippy side binds to your machine to protect and strengthen. The slippery side reduces friction to super lubricity levels, enhancing performance and efficiency. Partner with us and the United States Air Force to take a quantum leap forward and formulate the most advanced gearbox lubricant.
You do not have to fly to use this technology, but with your help, we will take it to the sky above and beyond.
Friction is a problem that affects everyone, from the machines we depend on to the fuel they consume. Back our campaign, and together we'll advance lubrication to the new millennium and make our world more efficient, more powerful, and more sustainable.